You've heard it a million times on the news. India's GDP is growing. This quarter's economic output shrank. Per capita income is rising. But what does it all really mean? What is GDP, and how is it different from GNP or NNP? Welcome back to the Learning Studio, your go-to channel for whiteboard animation that makes economics crystal clear. In this 8th episode of our Fundamentals and Core Concepts series, we're breaking down one of the most important tools in economics, national income, GDP, GNP, and NNP, explained in the simplest way possible. And yes, the full economics playlist is linked right below in the video description. What is national income? National income is the total value of all goods and services produced by a country's economy in a specific time period, usually a year. It helps us measure economic performance, standard of living, global comparisons between countries. Now let's look at its three most common forms: GDP, GNP, and NNP. 1. GDP, Gross Domestic Product. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. It is the total value of everything produced within the country's borders, whether by local or foreign companies. Example, a German car company operating in India. Its production counts in India's GDP, not Germany's. GDP equals total production within the country, used to track growth, jobs, and market health. Types of GDP: nominal GDP, measured at current market prices. Real GDP, adjusted for inflation, shows real growth. To GNP, Gross National Product. GNP stands for Gross National Product. It includes income earned by nationals of a country, whether inside or outside its borders. Example, that same German car company in India, its profits go to Germany's GNP. An Indian software engineer working in the US, his income counts in India's GNP, not the US's. GNP equals GDP plus net income from abroad. 3. NNP, Net National Product. NNP is GNP minus depreciation. Depreciation is the loss in value of machines, buildings, and infrastructure over time, basically the wear and tear. NNP equals GNP depreciation. This tells us the net income the country actually earns after maintaining or replacing its assets. NNP is often seen as a more accurate indicator of economic well-being. Famous quote, "GDP measures everything except what makes life worthwhile." Robert F. Kennedy. That's a reminder that numbers matter, but they don't tell the whole story, especially when it comes to well-being, inequality, and happiness. Why this topic matters. Governments use GDP to plan budgets, taxes, and development. Businesses watch it to time investments. Students and job seekers can use it to understand career prospects in growing or shrinking economies. And you now know the difference between GDP, GNP, and NNP, so you'll never get confused when you hear those big headlines again. What's coming next? In the next animated episode, we're diving into inflation, causes, effects, and how it impacts you daily. So subscribe, hit that bell, and continue learning with the full economics playlist linked in the description below. This is the Learning Studio, where complex concepts meet visual clarity.